This is where our journey begins. The mulberry leaves, the lifeline of the silkworm.
The silkworms feed and grow, slowly weaving the threads that will become luxury fabric. Each cocoon is carefully collected, preserving the delicate silk threads within.
Now the cocoons are ready to land. The raw silk awaits transformation.
The cocoons are gently boiled, releasing the long, shimmering silk threads.
Each thread is carefully gathered, preserving its natural luster. The harvested silk is prepared and packed, ready to journey to the weaving factory.
The silk is loaded onto trucks, beginning its journey to become exquisite saris.
Watch the clearance on the left.
Okay, set it down. We need 2 more pallets after this one.
Every kilometer brings the silk closer to its transformation into luxury fabric. Finally, the silk threads arrive at the factory, ready for cleaning and weaving.
Spider silk is carefully washed, removing any dust or impurities.
Pristine, the silk threads emerge, shining with natural luster. The silk threads are arranged and prepped for precise cutting and processing.
Advanced machines delicately cut the threads to prepare for weaving. Each thread is uniform and ready, reflecting the factory's meticulous care.
The spider silk is now ready for advanced machine processing.
Align and process the silk, ensuring perfect thread integrity.
the silk emerges refined, ready for its transformation into luxury fabric. The silk is positioned and prepared for shaping into its final form. The silk is positioned and prepared for shaping into its final form. The silk is positioned and prepared for shaping into its final form.
The alignment is holding steady at 99.8% tensile strength.
Excellent. The output quality looks superb on this batch.
Finally, the threads are careful shaped, ready to become ultra-luxury silk goods.
The shaped spider silk emerges flawless, showcasing unmatched precision.
Now prepared for thermal treatment, the silk enters a controlled environment.
Carefully regulated heat and cooling strengthen the silk's structure. Post-treatment, the silk reveals enhanced strength and brilliance. The packing area is prepared for handling ultra-rare luxury silk. The packing area is prepared for handling ultra-rare luxury silk.
Each silk strand is packed with care, worthy of its rarity.
Now sealed, the silk is protected for long-term preservation.
The silk is stored under strict conditions to preserve perfection. The silk is stored under strict conditions to preserve perfection.
Every unit is catalogued and positioned for flawless distribution. Every unit is catalogued and positioned for flawless distribution. Ultra-rare spider silk now stands ready for the world's finest markets.